Hey everyone, and welcome back to Best Tendency. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of astrophotography with the ZWO Seestar S50 Smart Digital Telescope. If you've ever dreamed of capturing breathtaking images of deep sky objects, but felt intimidated by the complexity of traditional telescopes, you're in the right place. We're going to do a full ZWO Seestar S50 Smart Telescope review. If you're interested after watching this review, you can find the live price update and purchase link in the description below. This isn't just any telescope. It's a revolutionary smart digital telescope, an all-in-one wonder that's designed to make astrophotography accessible to everyone, from complete beginners to seasoned enthusiasts. ZWO has packed a ton of tech into this sleek, portable package. Let's talk about the design. First off, it's incredibly lightweight, only 2.5 kilograms. That makes it a truly portable telescope. It's constructed with carbon fiber, which means it's both durable and easy to carry. The black finish gives it a premium, modern look. It measures 5.1 inch dx 5.6 wx 10.1 h, and the included tripod extends to a maximum height of 363 millimeters. This is a very compact storage solution, which is excellent for travel. Setting it up is a breeze. It's a true autofocus telescope. You connect your smartphone via Bluetooth or Wi-Fi, and the intuitive app guides you through the process. No more struggling with complicated setups. This is one of the best digital telescopes for easy setup. Now, let's talk about the optics. The Seestar S50 features a triplet apochromatic lens, which means you get crisp, clear images with minimal chromatic aberration. The high-quality lens coating helps maximize light transmission, giving you vibrant and detailed views of the night sky. And speaking of views, the image quality is simply stunning. The automatic stacking feature allows you to capture long exposures and build up incredible detail in your images. You can capture nebulae, galaxies, and star clusters with remarkable clarity. This is truly a top performer in its class. What makes this telescope so unique? It's the integrated all-in-one design. You've got the telescope, electrical focuser, astronomical camera, AGR, altazimuth mount, and dew heater all in one compact unit. Plus, the app's database helps you find and track celestial objects with ease. And the auto voice broadcast keeps you updated on the imaging progress. On the positive side, the ease of use is a major selling point. As many users have said, it takes amazing astrophotos right out of the box. It's perfect for beginners and experienced users alike. The value for the price is also excellent. It's a popular choice for those looking to get into astrophotography. However, some users have reported issues with focusing. Some have experienced error messages during initial setup, requiring calibration and focus setting adjustments. And while it excels at deep sky objects, planetary imaging is not its strong suit. Also, some users have reported that the focusing mechanism has failed after a short time of use. So there is a reliability concern to be aware of. As you can see, the customer reviews are overwhelmingly positive, with many praising its ease of use and image quality. But it's important to be aware of the potential focusing issues. So, who is the ZWO Seestar S50 for? If you're looking for a best digital telescope that's easy to use, portable, and capable of capturing stunning astrophotography, this is definitely worth considering. It's a great choice for beginners and experienced users alike. If you're interested in learning more about the ZWO Seestar S50, check out the link in the description below. And if you enjoyed this review, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more astrophotography content.